Finally! It has actually happened. For decades, you guys have been begging Ram to put the legendary Cummins diesel inside the legendary Power Wagon. They always said no. They said it wouldn't fit. They said it was too heavy. Well, hell has officially frozen over. This is the 2027 Ram Power Wagon Diesel. The forbidden fruit is finally here, and we have 3 minutes to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the exterior. It's got that signature menacing Power Wagon stance. You've got the massive blacked-out grille, the powder-coated bumpers, and those iconic vertical wheel arch graphics. But look closely at the hood. That badge now reads Cummins Turbo Diesel. This truck is sitting on new 20-inch beadlock-capable wheels, wrapped in 34-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory all-terrain tires. Now, you might notice something missing: the factory winch. Because the diesel intercoolers take up so much space, Ram had to delete the integrated winch to make this engine fit. It's a trade-off, but for what's under the hood, it's worth it. Speaking of under the hood, this is the headline. We are looking at the high-output 6.7-liter Cummins inline 6. We are talking 430 horsepower and a bone-crushing 1,075 pound-feet of torque. That is nearly double the torque of the old gas V8. This thing doesn't just climb mountains, it moves them. With this diesel setup, your towing capacity skyrockets to 20,000 pounds, and thanks to a 31-gallon tank and diesel efficiency, Ram claims you can get nearly 600 miles of range. This is the ultimate overlanding rig. Open the door and the 2027 update hits you instantly. The old interior is gone. Dominating the dash is the new vertical 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen. It is lightning fast. You've also got a 12-inch fully digital instrument cluster that you can customize to show your pitch and roll angles. The seats in this tester are the premium leather buckets with Power Wagon embossed right into the backrest. They are heated, ventilated, and honestly, more comfortable than my living room couch. And yes, you still get the lockers. Front and rear locking differentials and the electronic disconnecting sway bar are all controlled right here on the center stack. In the back, you've got the 6'4" bed. This one is equipped with the Rambox cargo management system, which is a lifesaver for storing recovery gear, tools, or let's be real, ice and drinks for the trail. You also finally get a factory gooseneck prep package on the Power Wagon, something you couldn't get before because of the soft off-road suspension. So, here is the verdict. The 2027 Ram Power Wagon Diesel starts at around $88,000. It is not cheap. You lose the winch, which sucks, but you gain the most legendary diesel engine on the planet in the most capable off-road chassis ever built. If you tow heavy and wheel hard, this is the endgame truck. If you enjoyed this exclusive look, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Drop a comment below. Would you take this diesel Power Wagon, or would you stick with the gas version to keep the winch? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Rev 3 for more truck reviews. See you in the next one.